Alright, I'm going to walk you through giving an agency partner access to your Meta Business Manager account. So how you can find this is you can go to facebook.com and then find your page that lives within your business manager, and then depending on if you're on a classic page or new page experience, this screen may look different. Right now I'm showing you an example of the new page experience. So if you do have a new page experience screen, you're going to look for this Meta Business Suite tab. If it's a classic page, look for something that's similar either to Business Settings or Meta Business Suite and click on that. Another way to get to it is by going to business.facebook.com, whichever is easier for you. Then what you're going to do is you're going to look on the top left and then confirm that this is the page that you're trying to share access to here and here. And then you'll hit the drop down and then let that load. And then you're going to look for the settings gear for the business manager that owns your page. If you've ran ads in the past, then your page is owned by a business manager account. If you don't know that or not quite sure, just look for under the business manager account. It'll show what pages live within it. So just confirm that this is your page, and then you're going to go ahead and hit that settings tab. Alright, the settings tab is going to take you to something that looks similar to this, and then you're going to click on business settings. From here, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to go, again, you can confirm in this top left corner that this is your business account that you want to share with your partner. And then you'll click partners on the left-hand side. And then you have the option to either share assets with, partner to share assets with, or partner to request assets from. If you're working with an agency that's going to run ads on your behalf, then you're going to want to click partner to share assets with. From here, you'll just need them to give you their partner business ID. You'll plug that in, hit next, and then you should be good to go. They'll get an email that then they'll accept, and then they'll be able to access your business manager.